Hey guys, Chris here, the RC Geek. Welcome to the new shop. My family and I, we recently moved into a new house with a bigger garage, which means a bigger shop for this guy. It has been kind of a crazy road getting here, and we're still getting settled. But we are getting there, and I'm definitely looking forward to getting back into some of those projects that you've seen on social media. In this video, actually, I just wanted to give you guys a little channel update and just say thank you to all of you. Over the last year, there's been some amazing things happening, and it's all because of you guys. We're at 7,500 subscribers to this channel now, with virtually 2 million views to date. Thank you guys so much for watching these videos. And commenting and just following along. It's greatly appreciated, and it really helps keep me motivated more than I can tell you guys. So thank you again. And my hope in starting this channel, it was to help you guys out there and to provide just the best information that I can and to promote scale modeling in general. It's such an amazing part of the hobby that honestly sometimes it seems to get overlooked. So I really appreciate you guys taking the time to watch. As I mentioned, the last year, it has been kind of a crazy one in the Wolf household. Hopefully, as I get settled into the new and bigger shop, we can start getting back into those big projects again. I've really been jonesing for another competition airplane, so I'm really looking forward to getting back into that. Now, as many of you may have seen, the AMA Expo West this year, it's on a new date and location. So this year, the show is at the Pomona Fairgrounds. And it's taking place from November 2nd through the 4th. Now, the fairgrounds, they really lend themselves well for this kind of a show, as it's got a lot of outdoor space for flying and things like that. So it's going to be a blast out there. So in combination with the AMA and Horizon Hobby, I will be exhibiting at the show this year, guys, and providing some weathering and finishing clinics throughout the weekend. Horizon Hobby has graciously donated this E-flite P51 and this FMS Yak 130 as the airframes to be used for those clinics. So I'll be showing a few techniques throughout the weekend. I will be working on these airframes all weekend to do a full weathering job on each. And then at the end of the show on Sunday, we will be giving these airplanes away. It is absolutely free to enter, and you don't have to be present to win. All it requires is to stop by the booth, pick up an entry form, and just collect a couple stamps in a scavenger hunt, and that's it. Again, it's completely free to enter, and the winner will be announced Sunday, November 4th at the show. Again, special thanks to Horizon Hobby for these amazing donations, guys. I'm really excited to do this for you. So be sure to check them out, and also a big thank you to the AMA for making this happen. I have links to each of them down in the comments, so be sure to check them out, guys. I'll be at the show all weekend in booth 359, so be sure to stop by to enter and say hi while you're there. Okay, so free airplanes, pretty good. How could it even get better? Well, as a special thanks to you guys, since obviously not all of you guys can make it to the show, well, Robo 3D, which is a local 3D printer company here in San Diego, they have graciously donated an R1 Plus 3D printer to give away. This giveaway is open to all subscribers of this channel as a thank you to you guys. The Robo R1, it was my first 3D printer, and they are just absolute workhorses that print well and have a nice large print volume too. So this giveaway for the printer is all being done through Gleam. So click the link in the comments below and follow the directions to enter. You must be a subscriber to enter, and there are some other ways to enter too to increase your chances. Also, the more you share your custom entry link, the more chances you can earn to win. Now, the winner of this 3D printer will be selected on Tuesday, November 13th, which is the second Tuesday after the AMA show. So again, a big thank you to Robo 3D for this amazing prize. Be sure to check them out, guys, through the link down in the comments, and good luck to all of you. So that's it, guys. Thank you, each of you, for watching these videos, letting the ads play, and just following along on social media. I love hearing about the projects you guys have done that have been inspired for some of the stuff that we've talked about here on this channel. It's so great to see your creativity. I love it. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget, the winner of the E-flite P51 and the Yak 130 from Horizon Hobby will be announced at the AMA show Sunday, November 4th, and then the winner of the Robo R1 Plus 3D printer will be announced right here on this channel on Tuesday, November 13th. Thanks again, guys, and I look forward to seeing you at the AMA show.